Reinforced drawing of a member. If you want to have the reinforcement drawing of a specific member, you may select it first. Let me select the beam number 22, and I need to have the reinforcement drawing for this beam. For this purpose, first of all, I have designed its required uh, slab, wall, beams, and column, as already I have showed you in the detailed video. Now I will click the provided reinforcement of RC element for the beam number 22. Now you can see there is another interface. So this is the beam dimension 9 by 18. Now I am going to design the reinforcement for this. I will just click analysis, calculation, generate drawing for the calculated element and calculate. It is beam number 22 and this is the drawing for the beam number 22. Thank you very much for watching.